Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a small paper airplane that can be launched by a rubber band. So guys, you actually need a bond paper for this or any paper, you know, yeah, just, just big or small, it's okay. Okay guys, so I got this useless paper with a Pikachu drawing that actually failed, so yeah. So what you guys are gonna do is you guys gonna cut like a little rectangle. Don't make it too small because if you make the rectangle too small, it just won't work out. Just well, guys, this big. Just make it this big. And now, wait, that's not perfect. All right, don't worry about it. We don't actually need it to be perfect. We just need functionality. So, we're just going to fold this up like that. Then actually be serious now. You gotta cut it straight. Yeah, there you go. Now that I cut it straight, I'm going to do the other side. Okay guys, this works. So what we're gonna do is we're going to fold one side like this. You gotta do it on the fold, by the way. The fold is there for a reason, not just for cutting purposes. So you fold one side, then you fold the other. Of course. Why wouldn't you do that? There. Oh wait, look. It's not perfect. Let me fix it. Okay, now fold this tip down. It should look like this, like a male. Now guys, look behind and then make another fold. I think it's supposed to be like this. Okay, now it should look like this. Alright guys, it should look like this. Now, I actually folded it, but it was wrong, so I just cut the bottom. So now, look behind. So like, it should look like this. Don't worry if it does. Don't worry if it's wrong like that. But yeah, all we need is functionality. Alright guys, now you have to fold this bottom tip up. Okay, like that. Oh, come on, like this. Now we gotta fold it in half, and then we gotta fold these wings down. Okay, now your paper airplane is done. Okay guys, now look, get your rubber, put it behind your foot, and then after that you're ready to launch. I'll leave you guys to launch the plane itself. And yeah,